So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to turn on flash notifications from your device. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the setting app available on your device. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your setting, and scroll down below. Then you will see the option of notification, which is available on the bottom of your screen, so tap on it. Now again scroll down below. Then you can see the option of flash notifications, so tap on it. Now from here you can choose either you want camera flash or screen flash. So I am tapping on camera flash. So tap on preview like this. I have just seen the preview and it was quite good. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.